Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Naha Girish, Facebook page javaim.com. Today we will discuss about the differences between equals and equals method and double equal operator. Okay, how both works in case of string and how it is differently acting other than string class object. So first of all, the case one, if we are going to create two string objects as like line number 9 and 10, okay. String S1 equal to Java aim, which is a string literal, and string S2 equal to new string of Java aim. Okay, it is basically the other way of creating the string class object using new operator. Then line number 11, S1 double equal of S2. What will be the output for this line? And then S1 dot equals of S2. What will be the output of this particular line? First of all, we will discuss about the case 1, then slowly we'll move towards the case 2. Case 2 in the sense how equals method and double equal operator is working for string class object and how equals method and double equal operator is working other than string class object. In case 2, we will cover that. Okay, now let us come to the programming part of this particular application. I mean, small Java program. By writing small Java program, we will get to know practically how this equals method and double equal operator is working. First of all, as I said, the case 1, which is for how equals method and double equal operator is working in case of string class object. Okay, as I said, double equal operator. So operator should work uniformly for all the Java class objects, right? It should not act differently for different class object. So now you can clear that. I mean, you will be understanding that the double equal is an operator and it will work, it will behave samely for all the Java class objects, not only string class object, other than string class object also it will work same. Okay, and how equals method behave differently in case of string class object and other than string class object, that we will get to know in the next case. Okay, so here I have defined a class called equals and double equal demo 1. My class name is equals and double equal demo 1, and here I have a main method. Okay, as you know, the what is that, the Java program execution starts from the main method. So I have a main method over here, and I have created a string class object called S1 by assigning the string literal style of object creation here in the line number of 5, which is Java aim. Okay, in line number 6, using new operator, I am creating a different object, and the address of that object I am assigning to the reference S2, which is of type string. Okay, and the content of that object is Java aim, which is as same as of S1. Okay, now what I am trying to do, I am trying to print S1 double equal of S2, and in the line number 8 I am trying to print S1 dot equals of S2. Can someone tell me what will be the output for this? So for this, now we'll go to compile this class and we'll see the output of this particular class. Okay, now to do so, what we will do, we will open the command prompt, as we are not using any IDE integrated development environment like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA. So we have normal editor and using console or command prompt, we are going to compile this program and then we'll execute this program. So let us go for command prompt. I am opening it. Open command prompt. Second. Oh, my system is very slow. Let us see how long it is taking to open. Yeah, it has opened. Oh, okay. It's not responding properly. It has started responding. I'm sorry for this. Okay, now just for your information, my application is over. My Java program is there in E drive, 4 Java programs, equals and double equal operator. And there I have this Java class, Java file. I'm sorry. So what I'll do, I will go to, okay, E. So what I will do, I will go for 4 Java programs. Yes. Then I'll go for equals operator. Okay. ls hyphen lrt. Okay. Now it is not working. So what I'll do, I will go for Java C space tab equals and double equal demo 1 dot java. Let us confirm once again, equals and double equal demo 1. So here equals and double equal demo 1 is my Java file. So yes, if there is no syntactical error, then my Java class will compile and a dot class file will be generated. Let us go to the folder and we'll check. Okay, so where is my program? E drive, 4 Java programs, equals and double equal operator. See, my class is generated. Equals and double equal demo 1 and equals and double equal demo 1 dot class has been generated. And for your information, this is the byte code which has been generated from my compilation which I did in console. So you can check the timestamp as well. It's today's date and okay, fine. Now the class is compiled fine. Okay, now let us go and check the output of the application or program. So how to get the output? Java then dot class file name. So what is the dot class file name? Equals and double equal demo 1. Okay. First one is false and second one is true. To make you understand, the first one is S1 double equal of S2. Okay. And the second one is S1 dot equals of S2. So why the output has came as false and true here, and why it came no first case why it is false, second case why it is true. So for your information here, S1 double equal S2. Now reveal what double equal operator is doing. Double equal operator is checking whether two operands used in double equal operator are pointing to the same object, then it will return as true. else it will return as false. Understand? The two operand used in this statement S1 and S2. If S1 and S2 both are pointing to the same object, okay, then this line will return as true or else it will return as false. Okay, what does it mean? Two references pointing to the same object. First of all, in the line number 5, S1 equal to Java 8. For your information, this particular object will be created in string constant pool. Okay, in string constant pool, this object will be created. And this one, S2 equal to new string of Java 8. Keep remembering, each time you are using new operator means you are going to create a new object. Okay, doesn't matter what is the content of that object, but each time you are using new operator, it means you are creating a new object. If you are creating a new object, means you are using the memory space. Okay, so this particular object will be created not in string constant pool, it will be created in heap memory. Okay, so now tell me whether S1 and S1 pointing to an object which is there in string constant pool. Okay, let us assume its address is, okay, 1001. Okay, and S2 equal to new string of Java aim. It means it creates an object in heap memory whose address is 2002. Are both the references pointing to the same memory location? No. Why? Because S1 is pointing to the memory location 1001, which is available in string constant pool. S2 is pointing to an object whose memory address is 2002, which is there in heap memory. So both the references are pointing to two different object or object addresses. That is the reason this line 7, it gives us true, because S1 and S2 are pointing to two different objects. If I'll do something like this, let us comment this particular thing, because compiler will complain about it. So I have commented out. Let us say in the next line, what I did, string S3 equal to S2. Okay, and now what I will do, I'll go for system.out.println S2 equal to S3. What will be the output? See what I'll do, S3 equal to S2. Let us check. I have saved my file. Okay, let me tell you one thing. I will delete this dot class file now. Okay, for your information, for to inform you that I am going to create a new class file. Now this command is fine. I hope this command is fine. Java C equals and double equal demo 1. Okay, there is no compilation error. Now I'll go and execute. See, the second one is true. The second one is because of this. Okay, here in this particular case, I am just assigning the reference S2. The S2 is pointing to the memory address S2002, and I am assigning that S2 to S3. That is the reason S3 equal to S2 is giving me true. You are clear about the double equal operator in case of case 1. You will get more picture while discussing case 2 as well. Okay, let us discuss about the equals method. Okay, equals method in case of string, how it is working and how it is working differently in case of other Java class objects. Okay, now Let me tell you S1. What S1 contains? Java aim. Where S1 is there? S1 is there at string constant pool. Okay. What is the address of S1? 1001. Then what is S2? What is the content of S2? Java aim. Okay. Where this S2 is pointing to? It is pointing to a heap memory where this particular object is there, where whose address is 2002. Okay. For your information, in case of string, equals method is not checking the references. It is checking the content of the object or the content of the object to whom the reference is pointing. So S1 reference is pointing to 1001. What is the content of that 1001 memory address? Java aim. So each Java aim of S1 is equal to the content of S2. What is the content of S2? Java aim. Is both are same? Yes, both are same. That is the reason you are getting this true at line 3. Okay. So in case of string, equals method doesn't checking the references. Rather, it is checking the content of the object. If two references content is same, or we can say if two objects content is same, then equals method will return as true in case of string. Thank you. In next video, we will check how equals method working differently in case of other Java class objects. Thank you.